my god, you guys. When you gonna... I am out of breath right now because the funniest shit just happened. We just got attacked by seagulls because we had food. We had food, but the food was in a container, but they still tried to attack us because they knew what we had. Thank you. But I want you can call me a brat. Not swiping them visas, the nigga get back. Love Kaeland is ready to slash. Got a nice whip with a nice dash. Got a nice smile, booty little fat. Bustin' these flows like rat-a-tat-tat. Dinero, 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 my swag. Dinero, 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 my swag. Dinero, 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 my swag. Get what I want, you can call me a brat. Say what's up, bro. Yeah. Kid. What's up?
What's good?
Are y'all gonna miss me for Miami?
Yep.
Yes. It's gonna be lit. Should've came. Alright. It's an all girls trip. I want a chicken wing. Can I have a chicken wing? Can I get a chicken wing, bro?
Flex on us about going to Miami. Now she want a chicken wing.
I want a chicken.
Enjoy your chicken wings in Miami.
What? It was just for the vlog, guys. Come on now.
In Atlanta, it's capped in the air.
The capital. You gonna give me some chicken though? Y'all, Bone is real live eating in my face right now. Why is you eating in my face right now? I asked him for a chicken. He won't give me no chicken, guys.
I gave her some chicken.
No, he will not give me no chicken. He don't even like the flats on chicken. Head ass boy, I'm about to get you. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Leah. My birthday is coming up. It's on February the 5th. And I'm going out of town this weekend. I don't even know if I am going out of town. I'm at Chick-fil-A because I am hungry. So I'm about to get some food. I'm just so stressed out. I don't know what to do. All the Airbnbs are booked. Like, every hotel is expensive, is booked. Like, everything is just going left. And I'm just kind of over my birthday now. So I don't know how it's going to plan out, but we'll see what happens. I'm just over it. Like, I'm just ready for it to be my birthday and be over with, to be honest. But anyways, I'll catch you guys later.
I got my hand out even when I don't need no hand out. Cause I'm a bad bitch, you gotta cash out. Talking big shit, what your stash bout? You say you getting money, we gon' see now.
Good morning, guys. So I know I look crunchy right now. I just took out my hair. I just wanted to update you guys on what's going on. We are in full effect with the Miami trip. We're just gonna head down there tomorrow, like a 9-hour drive, and yeah, but the trip is officially coming together and it's gonna be lit. See you guys at the hair salon. Okay, last update, I was getting my, I was on my way to get my hair done, so I got my hair done. This is what it looks like. I have been outside, so it did get a little puffy, but it's okay because my hair is slayed. My nails are done to look bomb. Also, if you ain't get your tickets, you know what I'm saying, you better get your tickets. The 4275 tour is going on right now, so get your tickets. I know I don't have my makeup on right now, whatever, but because I'm not going nowhere tonight. It's not. How y'all like my hair? Comment below if you like my hair. I'm feeling it. Just let me know if you are. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the like button and share this with your friends. You know what I'm saying? Like, no, but nah, for real. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'm packing. It's 1:20 in the morning and I fell asleep. Now I have to pack. Sissy's over there. Don't ever wait to pack the night before. Just letting y'all I got a few things. I think I'm just gonna pack all my summer shit. I'm so sleepy. I can't even open my eyes. And my hair kind of poofed up, so I have to re-straighten my hair, but it's okay. I'm still warm. I'm just tired. Okay, so we're leaving. We're on our way. Why did I say it 3 times? We're on our way to Miami now. We're late, but we're gonna get there. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
All right, I love you.
Love you too.
Bye. Anyways, so we're heading to Miami now. Sissy. We're picking up Korea, guys. Hey, we're here. We're outside. 533, right? Okay. Calling Uncle Ellis.
Hello?
Uncle Ellis.
Hello?
Hello, Uncle Ellis.
Who this?
This Leah.
What's up, baby girl?
Hey, it's Drea. Drea and Leah.
Oh, God. Government Dumbo. What's up? Who driving?
Drea right now, and then
You stay under the wheel, Drill.
I'm about to be 22.
I heard it's your birthday weekend.
Yep.
Pop you a bottle now, huh?
I've been popping bottles, but you know, I turn up again.
I can get you some Kool-Aid. Don't worry about it. Y'all just let me know when you get close, and I'll be looking for you.
Okay. Love you.
Love y'all. Be safe.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, shit. Hold on. Let's see. How we looking?
We looking like a road trip.
Looking like a road trip.
Got your phone. Let me tell you what that thing can do.
I do a fine. I've never thought about beating nobody with my phone.
With a phone.
That's such a good idea.
What?
Hello. What should we get?
A few moments later.
We on our way to our destination. We on our way to our destination. We about beer. It's my birthday, girl. Would you twerk some, girl? Would you twerk some, girl? You a cute girl, in a backseat with all this energy. Don't really know y'all business see me. Ooh, we fucked up, I'm just playing. Every time we go and I ain't saying. She already said though, Miami in this bitch, I see her. Okay, alright, that's it. That's it.
2 hours later.
Honestly, don't give a fuck about who in front of me. Dropped 2 mixtapes in 6 months. What bitch working as hard as me? They see pictures, they say goals. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me.
Never stop. Just the flow that got the block hot. Super hot. Hey, give me my respect. I just took it left like on every deck.
What's up, guys? Hey, Korea. We here. We touched down to our destination. Period. It's not period, it's period. Alright. We'll catch you guys in the hotel.
Where's my wallet? Where is it? We haven't even been nowhere. I know.
You know my car be swallowing stuff.
I told her that.
Hell no. To the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no.
I was about to cry.
Yeah, this ain't no $10.
I was about to cry.
Girl, I'm like, I know I didn't buy nothing.
I was about to cry. It's currently, what time is it, Coria?
11:29.
We're getting some food really fast before we go out. We about to take a shot. It's the first shot of the day, y'all. The first shot.
Okay.
What the f? You're from Miami?
Yeah.
I could tell.
Born and raised?
I could tell.
Yo soy cubano, but I used to live in New York, Brooklyn. A lot of people go to DJ Cali. The problem with Club Live is too pricey.
It was a fail getting in the club. We had arrived late, so we couldn't get on the list, which means we couldn't get in the club unless we wanted to pay. So I dropped $1. All right, we gotta walk over there so I can ask for $3 more. Can I have $1 from each of you? Do you guys have $1? Do you guys have $3? I'm gonna ask. Excuse me. Should I say excuse me?
Oh my God.
Excuse me.
Is it about to rain? Don't forget me. Don't forget me, please.
I will never wear these shoes again. I swear. Tennis chain iced out.
Happy birthday to Auntie Dia. Happy birthday to you.
Yay! Last night was fail, but we got another night. Okay. My hair looks crazy. What you mean? What I want you to do? I want you to take pictures. Yeah, it's a video. Look at my sister. She fine, y'all. And this how I'ma look when I get 25. 25. Yeah. Tell them go subscribe to my channel.
You need to go subscribe to Love Kaeland's channel.
Okay. I'm popping, right?
Yeah, she's popping. All the vlogs are fire.
Yeah. I'm the birthday girl. We're about to eat, guys, at Norman's. Hold on. We're about to eat at Norman's American Bar and Grill. I don't know what I want. Do you know what she wants, Sissy? No, she doesn't. Victoria doesn't either. We just got here. Birthday girl. Because the funniest shit just happened. We just got attacked by seagulls because we had food, but the food was in a container, but they still tried to attack us because they knew what we had. Thank you. How you feeling, Coria?
Listen, I was trying to save. I didn't know how to help her. I was gonna slap on their ass with a shit.
I had to throw my food, bruh. Hold up. All right.
They calling all of them around. Oh, they know about the food. They
All
still
that
coming.
stuff. Y'all, it's so beautiful out here. Yes. Well, Sissy. Korea. We are currently at Wynwood right now. How you feeling, Sissy?
Feeling pretty good. I'm a little tired. Go. Not that bad. Just swallow. Didn't even think. Yeah.
While she was in front of it. This is so cool.
This is so good, he got my name on it.
Gang, gang.
Freezing cold. That's just all he know. He doesn't
like, let me
Flip it. Kid. Hey. What's up, Chris? Hey, y'all. We at DJ Pressure grandmama house. We chilling. Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, vlog?
Vlog.
Has she been doing this all the whole trip?
Yep.
It's gonna all be on
We got some curry and some plantains and stuff, and it's lit. Uncle!
What's going on? What's going on?
What's up?
You getting big on me.
I am big.
What's up, baby? What's happening? What's happening?
Is my DJ?
I graduated in May. The 17th? Yeah.
All right.
Granddaddy.
It's been a long time.
Yeah.
Like y'all grown. I know y'all been staying out past your curfew.
Auntie! Flicky booby.
Yeah, you do look cute.
I do. Yeah.
I told y'all.
Go for the vlog.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday to
Damn.
Blow your cameras out.
I'm sorry.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
We're city girls with a bag. TK Kravitz.
I can tell you miss me, baby. I hear them talking, but it don't faze me. I can still
taste your lips all over mine. I can still taste your lips all over mine.